Hey guys, thanks again for choosing Escape to Find Yourself program with Bucket List Guys. It is a true pleasure to have you guys along on this awesome adventure. Today we are at Bell Trail. This is a trail that honestly I've never even been on, so it's a first for me as well. So I'm super stoked, seriously. And from the reviews that I've seen, it's gonna be phenomenal. We're gonna be hiking next to Beaver Creek, possibly I think going through it, I think. But even then, it's just beautiful in itself. So thank you guys for coming along. And remember, on this trip, you're going to be thinking about forgiveness. That is what you're going to be putting into your thoughts the whole entire journey, from the time you leave to the time you get home. And when you find the box on the end of this trail where I leave it, I want you guys to write down who you're forgiving. I want you to write down, obviously, your name, but leave it on the paper, put it in the book, put it in the box, and put it back where you found it, please, so that others can do the same. And also, as well, this is a geocaching adventure, so bring something and take something. So something that's going to be relatively small, but there will be gifts in the box themselves. So thank you guys, have a fun time, epic adventures, yeah! Bucket List Guys, thank you. Alright guys, so you've come to the end of the trail. You're basically seeing this as your backdrop. I thought the end of the trail was over there, but it wasn't. You just continue coming along this edge and you come along this little trail. And it kind of ends kind of over here where there is a bunch of writing on the wall. You'll know that you're in the right spot because of this spot right here. Okay? This spot has all the writing on the wall. So if you go looking at the wall to your left, down the trail, up the trail, and then see this rock right where this split is right here, and there's a little cactus in the middle of it. You're gonna go up this. Okay, obviously my stuff is up here because this is where I've been sitting. Sit on this rock right here where my bag is. It's a great spot to just listen to nature and just be with yourself for a few minutes. This is where I got to ride as well. So down here in this crack, I have buried it underneath this rock. It's not that heavy, but it's down in the dirt underneath the rock down here. You just pull all this back. But when you're done, put it all back so that it kind of looks like this, because it looks like this area might be highly trafficked, and we don't want people finding it. So again, this is what it looks like from the outside. Come down in the corner, but underneath that big rock in the very corner, that's where the box is. Thank you guys.